Hey y'all, welcome to RNEWBBQ. I'm Richard. Glad you could join me today. Well, I know it's been a couple weeks since y'all seen a video from me, but I'll try to explain what's been going on. First, it's been a great month in the form of trying to get equipment for the channel. First, my birthday happened, which I received 2 new grills, a Weber 22-inch, and then a Pit Boss Classic, which is a 700 square inch grill. I've been using them here and there, and they've been working out great. Then, over the course of the month, I've also lost a few animals due to intruder attacks. That happens out here in the woods, but because of all of that, I also had to take down a barn and where we store stuff at and move that over to my shelter area to expand where I cook at. In the course of doing that, a ladder broke and I fell, which screwed up my back even more than what it already is. So I had to kind of take a step back from everything and let that heal up some more. But now that I'm on the mend, I'm able to start cooking again and getting back to making videos. So today we're going to do something a little easier, which is Chuckwagon beans on the Pit Boss Classic. So let's go ahead and get started. Alright, we're going to go ahead and start putting our beans together. Got 2 cans of beans here, drained of most of its juice. Half a cup of light brown sugar, 3/4 of a cup of ketchup, half a cup of molasses, right, half of a onion in it, and half of a bell pepper, and just a few dashes of hot sauce. Alright, now it's ready to go for being put into the Pit Boss as soon as it turns up the temperature. Alright, we turn it on, set it to smoke. Next we're going to go ahead and open this up for the next 10 minutes and let all that white nasty smoke empty out of it until it warms up. Let all that nasty white smoke empty out of the pit. Alright, time to close it down. Turn it up to 350 degrees. Alright, it's ready. Alright, we're about a half an hour in. Looking good. It's smelling fantastic. Definitely smelling the bell peppers and the onions. Let them go for a little while longer. Alright, we're now done. Well, I let it cool down a little bit, and now it's nighttime because I started the video a little too late. But anyway, hopefully my upgrades to my lighting will do the trick for us tonight. So, now time for the taste test. Definitely that richness of the molasses, along with that bell pepper, comes through first. Along with that onion. Definitely a winner. If you like pork and beans, definitely try this out. If you like what I'm doing, please like, share, subscribe, comment below. Follow me on Instagram. Thank you. Have a good day.